In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best packet option discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for packet option discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called retrieve.com, and open it. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that you can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 50% off discount, all you have to do is select copy code right here, and you can copy this code and use it on your next purchase in order to get this 50% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down, I should be able to find this website, which is called couponbirds.com. And as you can see right here, we have at least three different promo codes also. For example, if I want to get this 50% 50% discount, all I have to do is select get code right here. And this is my discount code that I can copy and I can apply this one on my next purchase in order to get this discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.